Americans don't have a spending problem. They have a leakage problem. Tiny expenses that seem harmless today quietly steal thousands of dollars from tomorrow. Let's look at a few examples. That daily coffee on your way to work. $6 doesn't feel like much, but $6 a day is about $180 a month. That's more than $2,000 a year. Now imagine investing that money every year instead of spending it. Over decades, the difference can become tens of thousands of dollars because of compound growth. Now think about food delivery. Delivery fees, service charges, and tips can easily add hundreds of dollars every month. Convenience is valuable, but when it becomes a habit, it becomes expensive. Next, streaming subscriptions. Most households pay for several services. Many people don't even remember every subscription they're paying for. One forgotten monthly charge might not seem important. 5 forgotten subscriptions can quietly drain hundreds of dollars every year. Then come bank fees, monthly maintenance fees, overdraft charges, ATM fees. Individually, they look small. Together, they slowly reduce the money that could have been working for you. Now let's talk about buy now, pay later. It makes expensive purchases feel affordable, but it also encourages buying things you might never have purchased if you had to pay the full amount today. Small monthly payments often hide the true cost, and then there are extended warranties. Sometimes they make sense, many times they don't. People spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars protecting products that never break. Finally, app subscriptions, fitness apps, photo editors, cloud storage, AI tools, free trials that quietly turned into monthly payments. Many Americans are paying for services they haven't opened in months. Here's the important part. The real danger isn't any single expense. It's all of them combined. Every dollar you spend today is one less dollar that can grow for your future. Money invested has the opportunity to earn returns. Those returns can earn more returns. That's the power of compounding. When unnecessary expenses reduce the amount you invest consistently, the long-term impact can be surprisingly large. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life, it's to spend intentionally. Keep the things that truly improve your life. Remove the ones you don't even notice anymore. Take 30 minutes this week. Review your bank statements. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Compare delivery spending. Check your recurring payments. Look at every fee you're paying. That simple habit could free up hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. Not because you earned more, because you stopped losing money you never realized was leaving in the first place. Financial freedom isn't built only by earning more. It's built by keeping more of what you already earn. If this video helped you see your money differently, you're in the right place. Here, we focus on practical strategies, real numbers, and smarter financial decisions that can make a meaningful difference over time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.